like, what's going on? And I'm like, Mommy, leave them alone. Maybe they don't. Maybe they are not yet ready or something. So she kept traveling there until they went for some hospital checkup and all, and they discovered the issue was from my brother, who turned out to have low sperm count. And then she became quiet. But when she shared it with me, I became concerned. And when I heard about phytoscience products, I remember when I asked about low sperm counts, Alex did tell me about issue of even abspensia being taken care of with double stem cell. So I was excited, and I'm here to share with you all today that my sister-in-law is pregnant, and I'm so excited.
Wow.
Apart from that, there's a little boy I work with. He's 11. He was actually born with a lot of health issues. One, he has neurological issues. He has cerebral palsy, and he's also on the spectrum. So, yesterday, I've been a little bit under the weather, so I didn't go to work yesterday. And she was looking forward to seeing me. So she called me when she didn't see me, because normally I do not go to work late. So when it was 20 minutes past 8 and she didn't see me, she was like, oh no, Ivy's not coming in today. And then she called me. And immediately she called me, she was trying to inquire if I was coming or not. And I told her I wasn't coming to work. So sorry, the office didn't reach out to her. But she was like, that's not even the issue why she was calling, that she wanted to share some updates with me, because I had told her about the product and encouraged her to try it with the child. And she was the same person I shared a testimony last week about giving her some product to use for either the son or herself, and she decided to use it for herself. But later when she picked up a package, she had more products to go around, because the product worked for the daughter too. She had a skin condition which it helped, and the family decided to pick up a package, and they now had enough to give some to the little boy too. And she called me yesterday to tell me that, no, let me reverse. When I introduced the product to her, one day we were talking and I was just like, what if, I told her I don't want to raise her hopes high, but there's a probability that if she starts to use the product on the son, he might be able to talk. And she was like, wow, that would be interesting. Even if he doesn't talk, if he's able to help him with his pancreatitis issue, which was as a result of medications he has been on, Depakote to be precise, that he has been on for such a long time, which resulted into pancreatitis. So if it's just to reduce the enzyme levels with the pancreatitis, she will be excited. So when she called me yesterday, she wanted to update me that the little boy spoke his first word, and he's 11.
Wow.
I was over the moon. I was like, man, that made my day.
Wow.
That made my day. They were so surprised because they were not even expecting it.
Oh, wow.
They were not expecting it. This is a child that is 11 but still has like a developmental level of like a 1.5-year-old. So you can just imagine. They are full of joy and so excited. And the good thing is that the husband has never tried any supplement ever. He was like, okay, because he can see he's working for the wife's high blood pressure, the child's skin, the daughter's skin condition, and now the son. He was like, they should give him some. He needs to take it too. So that's and then I have my godmom